Guys, it's the first Cavalonia vlog. Do you get over that? So, I'll do a little bit of a preamble. So, little bit of a preamble is, if you're a full-time 365er, you'll have seen in the last video that my camera ran out of battery on the first day of Boutique.
First day.
Or like the Saturday. So, third day. Alright, correction. So, just managed to charge it up and I've done 24 hours by myself and now we're in Kef on the fam/boyfriends and friends holiday. Over to you guys.
So it's mine and Mark's night to cook.
Oh yeah.
Cooking up some halloumi. I've made a Greek salad. We've got pesto pasta, dippy bits, picky bits.
Nice.
We were up at 2 AM this morning catching the flight.
Nice, Mark. Do you want to talk us through how we do the dinner process here?
Oh, so we all go in pairs to do the dinner, but you're not allowed to go with your significant other. So we pick it out of a hat and we go random. So I'm with Mole, Jasmine's with Dad, and Jack's with Mum, and Steve's also with Jasmine.
So Jazz got to cook twice.
Jasmine's with twice.
So I'm not significant enough to do
Jack, talk us through this. You have been on the vlog, but I feel like your content might significantly go up this week.
Okay, I'm looking forward to that. What do you want to know?
How's your day been?
It's been lovely. I had a nap. It was about an hour and a half.
That's good.
I ate a whole bag of crisps in 30 seconds, had 2 beers and smoked about 20 cigarettes. So
Woo! Holiday!
Does anyone...
Mum, scores on the doors? Oh well, first of all, look at this. So
Look at me. So I'm sat there like, I know.
I remember that you are more beautiful than
Thank you so much, Jasmine. I'll get over that slight. First of all, before we move on.
Look at this.
Look at this.
So this is the view. So this is beautiful view. So this is the pool, which I'm sure we're going to do synchronized swimming, lots of pool content. And then that is, you can't really see it because it's so bright, but that's the sea there. And then look at this.
And look at me.
Mum, talk us through.
So, we've had a lovely day. Trip was easy. Got here, been by the pool, had a swim, had a little kip. Looking forward to a lovely meal.
Organisationally, how was it? Stress levels?
I would say 10 out of 10 actually.
10 out of 10.
Dad and I got out the house, no problems, picked up moles. Yeah, it was good, really good.
Perfect. Tay, little debrief.
Yeah, so great journey, quite straightforward. 2 lovely trips to the airport to pick up people to arrive.
Nice.
And all gone well so far. Looking forward to a gorgeous meal.
Yeah. So this is Martha Mole's night.
Lots of nice Greek salt in there.
Greek salad, halloumi, bread.
Whose idea was the application? Yours?
It was both of us. I thought we would always watch it as a family and talk about it. And we were like,
Oh, bless you. Would you go?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Russell, 61 years old, and this is my daughter Molly.
What's with the ages?
Hi, I'm Russell.
I'll set an alert.
Setting her up for what?
Stacey.
Space station.
How to be the next Bond.
yeah, I heard.
Oh,
Well, he's just so the new
Okay,
Bond
I
is
didn't-
getting
I
announced
didn't
at
get
the,
bombed.
and he was like, it was between him and the bloke in the In-Betweeners movie who snorts shit. He's also in he's in fucking what's it called? The Gentleman.
Oh yeah, no, he would be good.
He would be a good
You
Bond,
mean
and he's
cool?
young. But so is Aaron Taylor Johnson.
I
Okay.
intended on.
Yeah. So I've had it. I've done my 2 weeks.
Have you got it? So you haven't got it in anymore?
No.
What, you
That'd be a
even
bit of
had the
holiday
Dexter
fun.
thing?
Only because he
I
bought
did
it
say
off
I had it,
Amazon.
There was this absolute shock that happened with it. What was it? It was when you ate three Mr. Kiplings. It went right up and then came back down.
Yeah, it was a bad one.
Whoa.
So I had 3 Mr. Kipling cakes on an empty stomach.
And it fucking sent
And then he needed he had to come home from work because he needed a nap so much.
That's not quite right.
It went up
Wrong.
and then
True.
came down.
So I did have to. Yeah, then it came down like normal. You cheeky fuck. No, I did have to. At the last day, penultimate last day of term, no kids in. This lovely lady from Sri Lanka who traditionally cooks beautiful curry for everyone, and I had too much of it, and I got back to my office and I just started crashing like crazy, and I couldn't believe I did it. I bet I'm the only person in the teaching profession that's ever said this, but I literally went into my boss's office and said, "Look, Angie, I've had too much lunch. Can I go home?" and I meant it. I really meant it. And not only that, I followed it up with, "I'll be honest, I'm going to do nothing this afternoon." And it was one of those, I promise, and it was one of those where I was driving home thinking, did I just do that?
Well, I've started filming now, so you can edit this out. Whoa, you look cute.
Hey,
Holiday stunner.
little matching tile set.
Not contrived at all.
Don't even know what that means.
Shut up, naysayer.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I'm scared.
Oh, so is this a reject, Jim?
Wait, hold on.
It's in the content shot. Charles, you used to work in hospitality.
I know, my hands are all slippy from more moisturiser.
Woo!
Day one debrief.
Day 1 debrief from me, but this is just from me, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, hit it.
I'm rolling.
Oh. Okay, so this is a sort of a debrief from today, a personal one. So it's been a really lovely day, very hot, too hot for me. Spent a lot of time inside, and this is fully clothed because the sun and me are good, but not too much. But it's been fun. I've loved the car, I've loved the scenery, and the company's been great. And it's just been, for day 1, 10 out of 10.
But we could definitely go Friday, be there for 6:30, 7.
Yeah.
Maybe we should think about that.
I'm keen. I wanted to do that.
Oh, they're such a good band.
I love them when we saw them last.
I've seen them twice. They play at Glastonbury every year. They're
Big clap.
What's it stand for?
It's like when the bits in between when no one's chatting, where you like pan around and like it's the filler, yeah.
If you look back to the Bath vlog,
I already tell you in the past.
He'll be there.
maybe a spin. I'm back. Stunning. Do you want to talk us through where the bag's from?
Okay,
Do a fit
shoes
check.
are Timberland.
Nice.
Dress is House of Fraser, but a while ago. Bag,
Vintage.
Bag, Mango, but by Vintage, £7.
Whoa, my little thrifter.
You you know, sunglasses, Oliver Boner.
Do you want to talk us through your book?
So the book I brought was a bit too intense on the intellectual scale. So Martha's let me borrow a book about a lady. It's a bit similar to the Salt Path, but without the fraud and
The lies.
the lying.
The betrayal.
Well, she could. I don't think she's lying. But she could. This lady's rediscovering her Irish roots, so she's walking the Irish coast path, and then each place she visits, she's talking about a woman in history.
Oh, that is
Wild Atlantic women, so it's really cute.
that was cute.
Every time I'm like, I do a smile and then actually filming it.
Look, the yellow. Look, the yellow patty. Look, the yellow patty.
Pina colada. Yeah, there's only one pina colada, hun.
Mojito, no alcohol, plastic. That's Jack.
No alcohol.
Mojito, normal.
Mojito normal, I think that was me.
Mark also got a normal.
Mojito, normal.
Another mojito normal.
So a little 365 vlog update. So we've come to really nice beach, really good service, really nice mats, really nice umbrellas, good sea. The sea's a really nice temp, nice to cool down. Everyone's having a really good time, relaxing into it, I think.
Cocktails. Show your cocktails.
Yeah. So I got mojito. Steve got pina colada. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
So is it going to be coming across?
So it'll be coming from there.
Mum, turn that light off.
No, we might.
Let's just go.
Is it behind the tree?
It's going, but if you come left, you can still see it.
Is someone's phone ringing?
Oh, it might be my alarm.
And now it's going to go behind the trees.
Oh, really?
I can't see. Well, we'll come up.
Get
the
your
other
app
side.
out.
I think you keep wait if you. Yeah. If you come up on here, you can definitely see it.
Yeah, maybe.
Right, hold on.
Hold on to Dad.
So up above the trees.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 100%. That's it, isn't it?
Yeah, so,
That's moving.
You can see it! First space station of the trip!
and it's so accurate.
Yeah, it is.
I said.
You said 11 o'clock.
I said just about.
Aww.
Oh, it's really clear now.
Yeah, I've got it.
Brilliant.
Oh, well done, everyone.
Oh.
I thought that was really smooth. Like I was born to be on the sea. Do you need a P6 out? No. I thought you got P6. Not when it's that kind. Okay.
Let's see if Dad can do it no hands. Thank you. Look how little she is. She's a princess.
Takeaways and most of them is just remove the emotions from finding a death tracker.
I've only got 4.
Yeah.
So did you put it all in one?
We're about to pull into the beach. We're going to swim to the beach.
What day is it?
It's Sunday. It's boat day.
Right, ready?
Jack!
Do it.
Go, Mum! Woo! 3, 2, 1. Nice. Come on, Tay. We're filming. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Whoa. So you literally just press, so that's what's filming. If that's flashing, that's filming. Paradise boat day! Whee! There you go.
Guy said that he doesn't remember most people being
Wow, that looks incredible.
Did my first dive.
Who's that stud?
Holding it.
Oh, I was going to say. Stop it, Jasmine. Goosies.
Cheers. Cheers.
Someone else?
That's for Mark.
Okay, you're just going like up and down rather than
Maybe go one foot in front of the other.
I'd let him build my house.
Well, I think we should get paddling now.
Let him renovate my house.
Is anyone who's managed to paddle?
That's bullshit. I was up.
Oh no. Capsize.
Yeah, how are we rating that one?
3, yeah, maybe 2.5.
Check out.
So how are you finding the paddleboard? Yeah?
Stand up. But if you go front ways. Right. If it doesn't keep it stable.
Rubber.
We do like High School Musical.
Yeah.
Right, is the red flashing?
Yeah, it's on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Was it good? I don't know. It's hard to know.
We're rolling.
We're rolling.
We are rolling.
As Hey 365.
She's choking.
So, just
When you say 365, shall I do a spin?
I started a YouTube channel.
A vlog.
And it's just, I have 14 followers. You can
Dedicated. They're dedicated.
You can be number 15.
Tell me the...
It's called, so my name's Jasmine, and so it's Jazzy's Journeys 365.
We'll get it up for you. We can get it up. Yeah. You need business cards. You need cards, hun, with a QR code.
Yeah, QR code. So
You need QR
it's
codes.
about what we get up to, family trips, friend trips. You got my 15th follower.
I'm not even
surprised. What? Shame! Shame! Yeah.
There's a scandal.
Non-follower.
You didn't follow her then?
Yeah, another question.
Jazz is doing a dive.
That's the thing, the draw towards these things is
Right, ready?
would you rather what? Get a career
Woo!
You do a little bit.
Yeah.
Do the series.
Put your hand, yeah, tuck your head kind of under.
think your feet are meant to be flat.
Whoa. I need to look at land, I think. That's it. Thank God I went to Tai Chi at Glastonbury.
Don't knock me off with you.
I'm going to try not to. Just got to look at one point.
Oh, wow, sorry.
You've upset the system. You had it for a hot second.
That is good. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Kind of hard.
I need to get lower. Right.
Sick. Is that good?
Yeah. Let's do another one. Like facing up. Then we'll stop for a breath.
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. It's just all bubbles. Ooh. Like that. So you're filming.
Right.
And then do a selfie jumping in.
Right.
So just hold it like. Okay. And is it on now? Yeah, it's on now. Okay. So just jump in. And just hold it up like that. Yeah, there we go. And just jump in.
Did you get it?
What are you going to rate it?
Did you get it?
What are you going to rate it out of 10?
Oh, I'm going to rate that easily 10.
I'll give it an 8.
Oh!
Molly!
Well done on your dive. How
Thank
did you feel about it?
Yeah, well, I've done a lot of training. You
Yeah.
know, that didn't come out of nowhere. That's been like at least 3 years preparation.
Yeah.
What
was your pre-calf prep work
Yeah,
like?
so a lot of core work.
Yeah.
All right, definitely a lot of core work, bit of legs, and obviously a little bit of anaerobic just so you can make sure you can get back to the surface.
No fair.
Because I went really deep there, really deep. And
the judges seemed to like it.
Yeah,
you had one slightly lower score from our Molster.
I know.
But
I don't believe she's actually qualified. I feel that I would be looking at her passport and things like that.
yeah.
Little wave. Say 365.
365. Day's going really good.
Come to think of it.
Really nice. Did a dive and a bomb and
Tay did a mega dive as well. That
yeah,
was
you
very
did do a mega
impressive.
dive. I did give it an 8, but I've changed to 10 out of 10.
Martha's Mission 365.
Martha's Mission's 365.
What's your concept going to be?
I'm just going to go on adventures.
Martha's adventure vlog.
Maybe I'll start with bar.
Yeah. Jack?
Maybe walk the dog.
Maybe what the dog.
Hey.
Mum, any updates?
Best day ever, as ever. Just brilliant.
I was pleased with my dive.
I thought your dive was
Yeah.
great.
I decided to go to the top diving board, and yeah, it just went really well.
Deep sea.
Deep sea.
Yeah.
Below dick.
17 followers now, guys.
17! Whoa!
I'm going to document my adventures back to the boat. Here we go. Oh, bit wavy, still going. We've done about a third. All the swim practice paid off. Halfway. Nearly at the boat. Here's the rest of the crew. Wave, everybody. Nearly there. Oh, obstacle. Almost there. Made it. Over and out.
Hey 365ers, just having a lovely day on the boat. Nearly 3 Coronas in.
Woo! 3 Coronas in, no lunch.
Yeah. I'm gonna finish this and then jump in the sea.
Woo!
It's lovely. And just jumping in the sea.
Alright, ready?
Okay. Can we just move over that way?
Are we doing ladder's jump?
You used to do things.
Alright. Are we doing High School Musical? Yeah, we'll go like... Alright, okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey vlog! Hey vlog! Welcome to my 365er journey!
Welcome to a private charter yacht.
Yeah! But you have to stop suffering in the back. Alright, Mila. Alright, you're wrong. We are in Somerset. Alright, Orchid. Alright, Orchid.
Orchid. That's Northern.
Orchid is Northern. If you say it.
Let's go, girl.
Let's go, girl.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's way warmer when you get out in the sun.
It's all of our minutes. Going out tonight, feeling alright. We're gonna let it all hang out. We're gonna have some fun.
Best thing about
Being a woman.
is the prerogative to have a little fun.
Hit the water.
Totally crazy.
Boat day! We have been on a lovely boat trip. We went for a lovely meal at the Fish Taverna. It's up there.
I'll zoom in for you 365ers. Just up there, you couldn't believe the view.
It was stunning.
These guys swam in. I got the little dinghy boat. It was lovely.
Lovely.
Meal was 10 out of 10.
Well done. Mol?
Yeah, lovely. Had a bit too many the old beers maybe, but having a lovely time. Everyone's carb crashing.
Yeah, this is a post Yandel carb crash.
Post bacon.
Favourite dishes, everyone?
Mackerel and maybe even the cheese balls.
Mackerel and the fried cheese balls. Next
Mine
one,
was the cucumber and tomato and onion salad with olive oil. It was delish.
Stevie O.
Mackerel again.
Yeah, big up, Mac.
Tay.
My favourite dish, I think, was the peppers, Florentine, and chips.
Oh,
Jack.
Smoked mackerel and the sea bass was good.
Yeah.
No one else is saying the fried cheese balls. I thought they were great.
Got it.
Get the shot.
GTS.
Got the shot.
Warm spot.
You do hit warm spots.
Have you ever delved into the North Sea, like spiritual jam?
It's a 3 quid, maybe my hand like 6
That is mental.
Right, you ready?
Right, let me check my iOS. Right, go for it.
You ready?
Do one more. Jack, you do it just for context.
You stay here.
Yeah, just a bit. Just for context, Jack, you do it.
How the fuck do you do that? That is so.
Steve, you go.
That was amazing.
Yeah! Yeah!
I don't want to go.
Tim wants to go.
Oh.
Yeah! Right, go on, Tay.
Alright. Oh. Okay.
Mo, that was fucking great. Yeah.
The was like, oh, that was excellent. The bowls was just like, alright, subtle.
Thank you. When I feel pressed. Hold on.
There's quite the look with the Prosecco, I'm not going to lie.
Gotta go, Jay.
That's poetic.
Very good.
I found a new skill. How do you monetize that?
How do you put that on the CV?
Yeah, I do. So I'm really good at playing the shell.
Like, really good at making noise with
I'm
the
really
shell.
good at making a horn noise of a shell.
That was, God, it came out of nowhere.
It was perfect the first time.
Yeah.
Not even a practice.
Well, the trumpet got me through.
Did you do trumpet as well? Did you? Is that why you did it?
I did the cornet.
Yeah, we both did the cornet.
No, but you did the trumpet. The trumpet was the one where...
Trombone.
Oh no, you did the cornet as well.
No, we both did the cornet. Yeah, and then I sometimes
Why
played
were
the
you all in
piano.
the orchestra?
I don't know.
Hey 365ers, so out with here with my bestie Mo and the fam. We're just about to come into ASOS or ASOS, depending on your accent. Depending on who's asking. We've had a really good day. I'm going to say best day ever, but it does
better than Christmas.
Better than Christmas, someone did say earlier. I'm not saying who. We've swam till our heart's content. We've jumped in the sea. We've ate. We've drank.
Stand-up paddleboard.
Stand-up paddleboard's a bit of a stretch, but we've played around on a paddleboard. We saw a flying fish, like Mal said. I think MVP on the swimming is MJ if we're doing awards.
Yeah.
So Marv, you win awards for best swimming.
Oh, and me on the board.
Oh, and then as I'm sure you will have seen, Molly's got a massive hidden talent in playing the shell.
Yeah, nailed it. First go and all.
The shell was a big one. And then I think the main takeaway from this is just the 365 scenery.
Yes, it is. And that's the closing statement.
Like, you just can't comprehend the peace you get from looking out, chilling out, and this is your view. So, thanks.
Over and out. Be sure to check out the GoPro footage.
Oh yeah.
That'll be in the sea and jumping into the sea.
Well, I
don't. Above.
Not quite sure how I'm going to do it, but
no, it'll be in there. Do probably like 2000s like. That's what everyone has forehead wrinkles because they went.
That's not a thing, is it?